Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Maru's Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the Saudi Arabia VPN settings so that you can access a secure internet while in Saudi Arabia. So, you're going to download an application from Google Play Store called FNF Tunnel BD, and it will be working in Saudi Arabia so that you can access a secure internet on Android. So don't forget to subscribe if you are new on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this tutorial with your friend, and in case you get any problem, the comment section is going to be left open. So first step, we're going to open the Google Play Store. This is the application I'm going to be talking about, and I'm going to guide you through how you can set it up in Saudi Arabia. So it is FNF Tunnel BD, like this. That is the spelling. You're going to search this application. It is new and working right now in 2026. So you're going to download this application. The app name is like that. The developer is Salutnet Solutions, and then the app icon is this. After downloading this application, you're going to open it. Keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, information, and education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. So, after downloading this application, allow all the required permissions that will be requested to you by this application so that it can connect on your device so that you can access a secure and a stable internet. So, this is the application. You're going to allow the notification permission, and then after allowing the notification permission of this application, you're going to go in the top left corner and then check into that menu box, and then you're going to start by updating the servers, because once you don't update the servers, this application will fail to connect on your network in Saudi Arabia. So don't forget to subscribe so that you can access a secure internet. Second step, you're going to come right here where you see auto select server, and then in the auto select server you're going to set it like this. You're going to select a server. It will be showing up of Saudi Arabia, or a server that is near to Saudi Arabia's location. Alternatively, if you don't see that server, if it fails to be seen on your device, you're going to keep in the auto select server so that it will be automatically optimized on your device, so that you will be able to access a secure and a stable, a fast internet, so that you can add an extra layer of security while online. So keep in auto select server, and then you're going to come in the networks where you see network right here, and then where you see all country UDP mode, you're going to change this. You're going to try to scroll with a lot of care, and then we're going to be seeing these servers. We have these two servers right here. They are just new and they work in Saudi Arabia. They are two servers, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, or KSA, STC, and then we're going to connect. We're going to connect to either A and then or B. We're going to choose any one of those two servers, and then after, we're going to press the start button, and then you're going to accept the connection request. It will give you a fast, it will stabilize, and as you see, mine has already connected successfully. So don't forget to subscribe. Let us meet in the next tutorials, and if yours fails to connect, kindly wait for the video. I'm going to show you what you're going to do. If yours fails to connect, you're going to put airplane mode on and then off. Going to try to clear the app data, clear the app cake, and then try also to restart your device. It will be connecting. You are going to connect to Kingdom of Saudi Arabia STC free. You're going to 5G so that you can access a secure internet. That is it. Let us meet in the next tutorials. Maru's Tech, and I sign out.